There are many reasons an arc flash can occur, and Littelfuse arc flash relays can provide superior protection against its damaging results. Littelfuse market-leading arc flash relay designs deliver reliable, easy-to-install protection. Littelfuse arc flash relays and sensors are plug-and-play, making them as easy to retrofit into existing switchgear as installing them into new equipment. No additional software is required. Littelfuse arc flash relays use light instead of current to detect an arc flash in under 1 millisecond. The fiber optic light sensor detects light throughout the entire length of the fiber. The sensor is ideal to protect bus bars, multiple compartment installations like motor control centers, or areas with many obstructions. Littelfuse sensors are interchangeable, giving you flexibility to adjust as needed during installation. The sensor's red flashing light tells you the sensor is installed correctly and working. This visual indication serves as a warning to workers. If they open a cabinet and there's no light, they know to close it immediately. Littelfuse recommends mounting 1 or 2 sensors per cubicle to cover all horizontal and vertical bus bars, breaker compartments, and anywhere there's potential for an arc flash. Littelfuse arc flash relays have backup trip paths, so if one fails, the other is still protecting. Arc flash relays improve sustainability and life of electrical equipment. They can also help lower the PPE category of protected equipment. An arc flash relay is an integral part of an arc flash protection system that can minimize damage, save money, time, and lives. Littelfuse. Expertise applied, answers delivered. Call our application experts to get more information or visit littelfuse.com/arcflash.